today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. And yes guys, I couldn't believe my eyes myself. There is one golden cross looming for Bitcoin, and this doesn't happen every day, this doesn't happen every week, this doesn't happen every month. This happens maybe once a year or so, and it is going to happen within the next 2 days. I will tell you exactly what we can expect from the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term. I will tell you how I'm gonna trade it, and I will do the same for Ethereum because there's something unfolding in the charts as well. Make sure you watch this video here until the very end. You sit down, you scroll down, you smash up the like button towards a new all-time high, and you make noise for the comment section, you share the video among your friends. And with that being said, I want to go straight into the content here and show you what I'm looking out for Bitcoin, because this episode is certainly a special one. Yesterday I felt a little bit underwater and I wasn't making a video, just the pre-recorded collaboration with Carl from the Moon and DaVinci J15, and now I'm back guys. I got so many beautiful messages from you, so thank you so much for your support guys. You are the reason why I'm doing day. Let me start here with the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term, and I will start actually with the pattern we are in right now before I'm going to that massive golden cross, which I'm telling you guys, I couldn't believe my eyes that it's actually gonna happen here very soon once again. So before I'm going into it, I want to talk about whether Bitcoin is going to hold this line or whether we are eventually going to break down to the bearish price target, which we actually fulfilled already right here. I will talk about that. I will talk about whether we are going towards the upside or towards the downside. Quick reminder for everyone here, if you're new to the channel or if you're not new to the channel, in the pinned comment down below, you get $2,520 for free. You can trade Bitcoin, you can trade Ethereum, you can trade altcoins. In the pinned comment here down below, if you go down and you click these links, if you haven't, if you're not subscribed with a bonus link so far, just if you typed in bybit.com and you're not even getting a bonus, what are you waiting for? Go down below and create your account. Click the link, email address, password. After your initial deposit, you get on Bybit alone $1,610 for free, and in total $2,520. This is by far the highest bonuses ever on one of these exchanges, so make sure you claim it right now. And just let me go back. At a 40x leverage with this bonus, you can basically, if you leave your own money on the sidelines, have $100,000 trade for free, and you can withdraw not the bonus but the profits from this free trade as well. So make sure you take advantage of that. Now let me go here into the charts and quickly start with what's actually happening for Bitcoin. Well, first of all, we had the symmetrical triangle, broke out, hit the bullish price target, and Bitcoin was forming this new ascending broadening wedge. On the hourly, it's much more beautiful because it actually maturely broke down here and hit the bearish price target as well. And now we are back in the pattern, and Bitcoin is still respecting the previous resistance and still respecting, by the way guys, wait for the golden cross guys, wait for the golden cross, and still respecting the previous support. The question is, are we going to break down? What is going to happen when we are breaking down? And what is the bullish price target for Bitcoin here right now in the immediate short term? Also guys, I'm recording this snippet here after the actual recording because I forgot to talk about something which is quite important actually. I mean, I talked, but I'm not sure if I made my point clear here. If I am telling you that there's a golden cross looming, that is of course extremely bullish for Bitcoin. That doesn't tell us anything about what's going to happen in the next 24 hours. So we have to still look out for. I talked about this one in the video, or maybe later on in the video you will see, but we have to hold this support line here in order to be bullish for the next 4 hourly candles, right? It doesn't mean that Bitcoin is going to bounce here. I mean, so far, no reason to assume that it's not. But still, if you are in a highly leveraged trade, keep an eye on this trend line here. Keep a very close eye on this trend line. If this one closes below, well, then we have the next support at our neckline here of this W breakout, approximately at 55,300. But then, of course, we have the 50% Fibonacci retracement level where I'm talking about right there at $52,500 if Bitcoin goes below, creating a lower low for Bitcoin and actually breaking the bull trend here for Bitcoin, at least on the 4 hourly candles. So we always have to differentiate between time frames. And sometimes I see people who say, hey Chris, you had a bullish title here and then you have a bearish title there. This is maybe because I'm talking about different time frames, guys. This is just what I wanted to say, and no problem at all if we are breaking this line here. Also not for me and my trade, but some people are maybe over leveraged, and just a $2,000 dump towards the downside could already be very, very apocalyptic for them. And this is why I made this other snippet here. I will include it in that video. And now continue to watch, guys. It's certainly very important because this golden cross looming, that will be very, very interesting. And when you watch this video until the end, you will understand why. So let's go back into the video. Well, so far, Bitcoin is holding the support here. If we were to break down, and I'm not saying that we are going to break down, because so far there is no reason to assume that Bitcoin actually held the support here and already hit the bearish price target. So I am in a bullish stance. My bullish stance in the immediate short term only changes if Bitcoin goes below. Even if we break it, if Bitcoin goes below the 50% FIB level and creates a lower low on the 4-hourly time frame. So far, we are back in an upwards trajectory. So far on the 4-hourly, we are creating higher lows for Bitcoin. We are creating higher highs for Bitcoin. This is certainly something good. If we are breaking down, $52,700 would be my line in the sense where I'm saying on the 4-hourly, I'm going bearish right now. So far, everything fine. So far, Bitcoin here being in this very beautiful in this very beautiful reversal mode here, which I personally think is a beautiful thing. If I am pulling the Fibonacci retracement or extension level here from the bottom to the top, then you can see that Bitcoin perfectly found resistance actually once again, and this is something I mentioned before. This is exactly actually what I mentioned before in the Fibonacci golden pocket. You remember, I'm always quoting the Fibonacci golden pocket as a very important resistance and support level for Bitcoin. And once again, we hit the resistance, we got a small retracement. If Bitcoin actually breaks this resistance level, I personally think, I do think that the previous all-time high is imminent. There is still one price target we are waiting for Bitcoin. If I am pulling out this here, if I'm zooming in a little bit, then you can basically see that we are still in that W mode here. Bitcoin is still in the W mode, and the price target is not hit yet. You know that we are on a trade, including me, on Bybit right now, trading this one towards the upside here, towards $63,700, very close to the previous all-time high. I would be taking profits before that price target. I am ringing the alarm bells if Bitcoin goes back below the neckline here. If we are going back below the $55,200 levels, I would put it a little bit lower. I would personally put a stop loss and a very, very slight loss here. And that's how you can personally trade this with a very, very low amount of risk involved here if you want to put a stop loss. But guys, and this is the reason why I'm making this video. By the way, guys, look at this beautiful view here. Smash up the like button for the biggest wheel in the world and for the biggest, highest infinity pool in the world over there. But this is not the reason why I'm making this video. I am making the video. By the way, big shout out to the moon. He's popping up as a notification here right now. I am making this video because of the golden cross, which is looming for Bitcoin. And I want to talk about that right now before I go into Ethereum. Look at this, guys. This is what I've personally been waiting for. Let me go back to my favorite chart here. It's the Bitfinex chart. It's actually not my favorite chart. I like Bitstamp or the index chart. But anyways, the Bitfinex chart is fine here for this purpose. I am pulling out my EMAs. And if I am pulling out this EMA and this EMA, then you can see something unfolding, guys. And the orange EMA is the 200 period exponential moving average on the 4-hourly candles. The turkey EMA is the 50 period moving average on the exponential on the 4-hourly candles. And whenever the short term, the turkey one, is going above the orange one, the long term one, this is called a golden cross. Whenever it's going below, this is called a death cross. And we just had the death cross looming and actually also unfolding here. But then Bitcoin reversed, and now the golden cross is actually imminent. Within the next 2 days, I would say, if Bitcoin breaks down heavily, this one will be invalidated. It's not gonna happen. But guys, if Bitcoin is not going to break down within the next 1 or 2 days, the golden cross is happening. And just to show you how significant that is, let me go back many months back in time and show you the last time this happened. The last time the turkey line went above the orange line was right here. I mean, guys, there was no better buy signal than this. Look at this. This one flashed actually when Bitcoin was at $10,700. And ever since this one crossed above the long-term one, the 200 one, we had an insane 500% pump towards the upside for Bitcoin. This, dear ladies and gentlemen, is definitely something I'm looking forward to. Let me go back to the previous one. You can check it out yourself, guys. It's always every single time here. Then we had another one. I will show you the last two ones because they were so close to each other. It happened right here in April 2020, pretty much 1 year ago, at 7,000. What happened afterwards? Bitcoin went up to $10,000 US, 50% gain after the golden cross. Well, let's go to the next one. The next time it happened a few months later, actually, in July, right here. What happened? Bitcoin went from $9,300 US all the way up to $12,500 US, a 30% gain. And of course, once again, the next time it happened was in October, directly at my birthday, 1 or 2 days afterwards, from $10,700 US all the way up to to this crazy magnificent price target of $64,000 US. This, dear ladies and gentlemen, I am looking out for, and I am putting another trade. If Bitcoin is not breaking down significantly in the next 2 days, and if we are seeing the 50 period moving average going above the 200 period moving average on the 4-hourly candles, I am putting furthermore into my long position here. I am going to trade the golden cross, of course only in case it's gonna happen, otherwise there's no point trading a golden cross. But this is what I'm looking out for Bitcoin right now. Now I want to go over to Ethereum, and I wanted to remind everyone, I have a TikTok profile as well. Just type in Chris MMCrypto on TikTok. Recently I published 5 altcoins which I think are going to perform well in the within that summer, that's for sure. And of course I could be wrong with that, but look at this selection. I think especially with my reasoning, you will agree to that. So make sure you check that out. Also on Twitter, on Twitter, MMCrypto, on Instagram at Chris MMCrypto with a blue verification check mark. You wanna be following me there. Also for mindset stuff, lifestyle and so on, but also crypto content every now and then. Follow me over there. I will welcome you warm-heartedly. So let me go over to the Ethereum chart because many people are interested in Ethereum, including me, of course, guys. I love Ethereum. I'm having at least 10%, probably right now it's already more in my portfolio. But I wanted to show you guys, how beautiful, I mean, how amazing are our trades here. We broke out of Ethereum. We hit our price target. Well, we formed the next pattern. We broke out of Ethereum. And what was our price target? Let's check that out. So our new price target was actually all the way up here at $2,870 US. We hit that price target yesterday. Congratulations to every single one of you who was trading that. Guys, I'm personally pumped about that myself. I think it's completely beautiful. And now we have to see what is going to happen next to Ethereum. Well, only if Ethereum breaks this line here. This is the thing. Ethereum is a little bit of a leading indicator for Bitcoin. If Ethereum breaks this upward sloping support, I think Bitcoin will break it. If Ethereum holds it, I think Bitcoin will hold it. And only in case Ethereum will break it, well, we might see some further downwards momentum here. And then my personal bearish price target, that's the nice thing here. I'm pulling that up here. Whoops, sorry guys. You can see that coinciding with the 50% Fibonacci extension retracement level is also the price target of the falling wedge here. This would be a very, very brutal one. Many people maybe not watching that video could lose some money because the price target would be $2,447 US. Personally, also here, I'm not in a bearish stance. We are creating higher lows for Ethereum, higher highs for Ethereum as well. So far, so good. And now the only question remains, what is the bullish price target here? Well, if we are pulling from the bottom to the top, to the previous top, then you can see that, come on guys. Then you can see something beautiful here once again, because everyone who didn't trade my measured move price target, but traded the golden ratio, well, you also took profits exactly to the exact US dollar amount I was actually predicting for Ethereum. So far, I would refrain from trading Ethereum. I would be standing on the sidelines for Ethereum, waiting for the next pattern to evolve and then trade the pattern. For Bitcoin, we certainly still have some trading opportunities. For Ethereum, I'm stepping back right now. I'm waiting for the next pattern. Let me know what you think about that. Let me know what you think about this video. Smash up the like button. Give me some feedback. Make noise for the algorithm. Leave your favorite altcoins in the comment section section down below, and I will be happy to make an altcoin video very soon for you guys. And with that being said, guys, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, use the links down below if you never did that. If you are an experienced trader, claim the bonus. This is certainly something I would do if I was you, if I never got a bonus, if I never claimed the bonus there. And the nicest thing is, if you ever signed up with my link, ever, even 2 months ago, 12 months ago, this bonus is still for you. If you sign up with my link, you can claim this bonus with another deposit over there, and you can trade only the deposit, only the free bonus, and with the profits from that for free as well. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye bye.